Hello, I am Shukla Choudhury and welcome to Reptile Safari. Reptiles are tetrapod animals in the class Reptilia, comprising today's turtles, crocodiles, snakes, leeches, tuatara, and their extinct relatives. The study of these traditional reptile otters historically combined with that of modern amphibians and is called herpetology. The earliest known proto-reptiles originated around 312 million years ago during the Carboniferous period, having evolved from advanced reptiliomorph tetrapods that become increasingly adapted to life on dry land. In addition to the living reptiles, there are many diverse groups that are now extinct. Modern non-avian reptiles inhabit all the continents except Antarctica. Although some birds are found in the periphery of Antarctica, several living groups are recognized. For example, testudines like turtles and tortoise, squamata, that is, lizards and snakes. Then there is crocodilia. Reptiles are tetrapod vertebrates, creatures that either have four limbs or, like snakes, that are descended from four-limbed ancestors. Reptiles range in size from a tiny gecko, which can grow up to 17 mm, to the saltwater crocodile, which may reach 6 m in length and weigh over 1,000 kg. So, that was a short reptile safari, and I hope that you have enjoyed a lot. Bye, and hope to see you soon.